Hello children, in this session we are going to start new chapter from SPL, that is lesson 2, understanding secularism. This is from unit 1. Now you just recall the chapter which we had discussed in chapter 1, that is the Indian Constitution. In Indian Constitution we discussed about key features. In key features, last key feature is secularism, and I have given a basic idea about secularism. And now in this chapter, little bit broadly we will discuss about what is secularism, why secularism, how do we practice secularism. I can say that one whole chapter is based on secularism. It is an interesting chapter where you will learn new things to understand. So first of all, introduction of the chapter that is understanding secularism. What is non-secular country? We'll give example like Saudi Arabia. They don't tolerate all religions. They promote only one religion because it's their state policy. It's their government policy. Now in Saudi Arabia, it is ruled by king. While if we talk about India, if we compare it with India, then there is a lot of difference. We say that India is a secular country. Then on being a secular country, we provide a variety of religious freedom like equal opportunities to all religions, equal opportunities in government jobs, no discrimination on basis of any religion, where we can understand that in India there is a religious freedom, whereas in other countries there is no religious freedom. For example, Jews in Germany. You know about Hitler. We are talking about Second World War. So what happens is in Germany, majority were Christians. Christians persecute Jews on the basis of religion. So if it is non-secular country there, they are not treating all religions equally. Then they may face problems in large like discrimination, exclusions and persecuting of minorities on grounds of religion. Dominating religions may suppress minority religion. So where a country is a secular country, there on the basis of religion they may not face any discrimination compared to a secular country. One more example like Muslims and Christians minorities in Israel. If we will see the way Jews discriminated in Germany, like discrimination, exclusion and persecution, so now Jews made their country as Israel. So in Israel also they are repeating the same with Muslims and Christians by discriminating, exclusion and persecution. So you can understand in a secular country you have so many advantages. There is no discrimination on grounds of religion. Grounds of religion means religion is given official recognition. It means, for example, in India, majority religion is Hindus. So for some period Hindu religion was given as an official recognition. Then what happens is government will give more support because government has recognized, and definitely one religion is more power than the other religion which is existing in the country. Then the other religion people who live in a country, they may face discrimination, exclusion and persecution because who is the more powerful? In a country, powerful is government or a state is powerful. So if in this sense, if government will support any religion, then the other religion may afraid or in sense of insecurity will develop. So one religion is given as an official recognition by the state, at the expense of other religion. Expense of other religion means other religions will suffer on this sense ground of religion is the ugliest form. Therefore, if a state religion is neutral, then they will see equally to all the religions, which is good for a country because we cannot see discrimination, exclusion and persecution. So now what we are going to study in this chapter? In this chapter we are going to see some topics in depth, that is meaning of secularism. Why is it important to separate religion from the state? This is the another topic. And the third topic is what is Indian secularism? Indian secularism is different from West, means Western countries like Europeans, America and all. The way they practice secularism in their countries and in our country, there is a difference. And last subtopic is comparison with other countries. So in depth we will learn each topic. And now our first subtopic is what is secularism? Already you know that what is secularism. Secularism adopts the tolerance. All religions are treated equally, and if we find the originate of secularism, then it means separation of religion from state. Secular concept tells us about the separation of religion from the state. It means we are separating religion and state. There is no interlink between them. Religion is different matter, whereas governance is different matter. So this is a secular idea. Now the question is why it happens. As you children learnt about fundamental rights in your previous chapter, and in that one fundamental right is, that is right to freedom of religion. So the religion which we follow, we have the right to propagate about it. And one more important thing is, we have learnt that why fundamental rights are given, because the state tyranny means the state is powerful, so it may discriminate with us. So in this sense, to protect our fundamental right, one right is right to freedom of religion has been given, because the state is only promoting one religion. Suppose there is no separation, then what happens is you cannot practice right to freedom of religion, where the Constitution provides individuals the freedom to live by their religious belief and practices as they want. So right to freedom of religious tells us that individuals, according to your wish, you can follow your religious belief and practices as you want. But if state never give that freedom, and if the state has power to encroach and stops your freedom of religion, then on that sense, can you practice your right to freedom of religion? No. So on that case, separation of religion from the state is important. Therefore, secularism is adopted in India. Why? Because we can save individual rights against the state tyranny. In general, we understood about secularism means separation of religion from the state and its need. So, what's your idea of religious tolerance? Then children drew some paintings like temple, church, Gurudwara, mosque. Idea is depicted in such a way. So, what is religious tolerance? It means all the people should live unitedly with love and affection, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. There is one more painting where it tells us that it is a globe and a variety of religions are showed in the globe. You can see in this Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, Christians, where all religions showed in one globe. So, what is religious tolerance? Country is not made of any one religion. It is made for all the religions. So, these drawings shows some of the value and ideas of the students of your age about religious tolerance. Religious tolerance means here your age children drew these paintings according to their ideas on religious tolerance. So, I hope you understood about what is secularism and separation of religion from state. Now, our next topic is why is it important to separate religion from the state? That we'll see in another part. Thank you.